The temporary power distribution system from Larson Electronics converts three-phase 480-volt AC delta electrical current into single-phase 120 or 240-volt AC. This unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC delta power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. A weatherproof flip cover at the front of the unit can be lifted upwards via an accessible handle, which serves as protection for primary and secondary breakers and receptacles in rugged environments. A drain plug on the panel helps the power distribution system achieve a NEMA 3R rating, allowing the unit to be used in both indoor and outdoor locations. The transformer is protected by vibration isolators that reduce damage to exterior jacket of wiring components and decrease noise during operation. This power distribution system is constructed of steel with a polyester powder-coated blue finish for durability against dirt, moisture, and mild corrosion. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.